Let's look at art in a jar and start the unpacking. So it's a foam roller, a pencil, an artist brush. We have two colors that we're going to work with. You can always add colors to your projects. We have Davet and matte black, and these are hexagonal coasters, but they can also be used as block art on a wall where you can just add different shapes and add blocks to your design. So I'm going to have fun. We also have 4 different stencil designs, geometrics that we'll be using. So we are going to work with contrast. Davet is antique white color and matte black is black. And I'm simply going to have some fun. I'm going to use my foam roller and evenly roll Davet onto this coaster. On the 3rd and 4th coaster, I'll be using matte black. So I'm going to do exactly the same. A foam roller gives a very even application on a flat surface. We recommend using a mohair roller. Anything from 50mm to 160mm depending on the surface. As you can see, it gives a very even, smooth finish. We're also doing our pack shots today. So Eloise is the photographer, taking all the fun photography for all these kits and DIY projects. Now we're going to start having some fun. So I'm going to use this shape with a matte black onto my white background and roll. So either a foam roller or a stencil brush can be used for stencil work, depending on the finish. Most important is always to have little paint on either a stencil brush or a foam roller. The less paint, the greater the success, and the smallest the chance for the paint to run in behind the stencil. So I'm just rolling. Make sure it's done evenly. I'm pressing not too hard, and I'm securing it with my free hand so that the stencil doesn't move. And I'm going to reveal our work. Okay, next we are going to use, let's use this design on our white black background. Okay, gonna reveal. Okay, then on this we're going to work with Davet. It's nice and straight. If you want to clean your stencils, use water, rinse them gently and just gently wash them. Usually the paints can be left on, but I like my stencils to always be clean. When working with stencil of Paris, that's our embossing paste, you wash it immediately in warm water. The reason for the sanding is just to hide some imperfections and also to give it an authentic look. And our blocks are complete, although I want to show you how to do dot art, and that's why we've included an artist brush. Okay, so this is dry. So I put my stencil down, I use my pencil, and I just trace my stencil design onto my coaster. I'm not going to do the entire stencil, so I select a certain area in the center of the stencil and also the center of my block where I'm going to dot this pattern using Tjhoko Paints and matte black. Once again, contrast works best on surfaces. I use a sharp pointed artist brush, dip it in my matte black, and now what I do is I dot and lift.
Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tjhoko Paints.